And welcome back. So after a little bit of deliberation, I finally decided to do this Nigerian Independence Day inspired makeup look. And if you don't know, Nigeria's flag is green, white, green. So I want to do makeup to kind of showcase that, because today, October 1st, is Independence Day, which is tomorrow for you, but today for me. But tomorrow, you guys know what I mean. Anyway, let's just jump straight into this video.
Pray for me, for me. Pray I find my way.
So to get started, I'll be using the Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in shade C10 to prep my lid. And the palette I'll be using is the Morphe X Jaclyn Hill Dark Magic palette, and I'll first be going into the shade Inside Job, which is a dark matte green shade. I'll be putting this in my crease until I'm satisfied, you know, back and forth basically. I'm gonna put enough there because I'm gonna cut my crease later and I need it to still show. Okay, I'm also gonna go ahead and blend the edge a little bit with a cleaner brush just to make things look a little bit softer. Okay, so while I'm cutting my crease with the same concealer, I just want to let y'all know we got our independence on October 1st, 1960, which is amazing. After British colonized Nigeria, and a lot of our people were used for a different bunch of anyway, let's just not get into it. But long and the short of it is, even though Nigeria's economy is not as great at the moment, we're gonna continue to pray that it keeps getting better, that it gets better, you know. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into the shade Trickery, which is that emerald shade, or it's kind of sparkling a little bit. I'm just gonna stamp this in the outer corner of the wing. Also, when I cut the wing, as you saw, I winged it out because I want it to be more exaggerated. So now I'm going in with a glitter fixer gel and also green glitter. The glitter fixer gel is by Barry Cosmetics. The glitter itself is by Afunki, which is a UK brand, Nigerian owned UK brand. So actually, yeah, that's awesome actually. So I basically packed the glitter glue on my lid, and then I went ahead and packed the glitter on the lid as well, just sporadically without like packing it on too much, because I still want to be able to take this makeup off later on, okay, without it getting into my eyes. I not bad man, they want to say I she not bad man, they want to fail. So now I'll be using this NYX pigment. I'm going to put the correct shade name and whatnot down below. It's kind of whitish bluish, but predominantly white, and I want to mimic that white in it flag. And then to also further mimic the little bit of whites as well in the Nigerian flag, I'll be using the W7 Lash and Line glitter liner. I know that this is not straight up green, white, green like the flag is, but I wanted to do colors that's mimicking the Nigerian flag. Does that make sense? Now grabbing the shade Power Cut, which is a metallic silver, I'm going to put this in my brow bone. And now we are done. Once it did the second eye, and I'm going to go ahead and do my base off camera because it's a bit redundant at this point. But I don't really like the other side of the eye, but it's all good. So for the lower lash line, I just went back in with Inside Job and Bob's Your Uncle. She not bad man, they want to fail. So that is it, babes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. By the way, I did have lashes in this shot and I almost forgot, but I ended up fixing it. Also, comment down below which country you're from. Oh, by the way, I also threw on a little bit of gele. You know, I am a Yoruba girl from Nigeria, and gele is one of our attire, so I decided to rock it a little bit. I'm not the best at tying it, but I can make it look a little bit fashionable, you know what I'm saying? So happy Independence Day, Nigeria, and to my fellow Nigerians out there, let's keep praying that our country gets better and keeps getting better. And thank you so much for watching, babes. As always, whatever doing to love yourself, and I'll see you babes in my very next video. Bye. Tell me what you want to know. Me, I no go lose control. Bad man, I feel your flow. Wine and flow. This one will be private show. Tell me low. Tell me what you want to know. We tried. We good. We done. Stop talking. We're done. I tried. I don't know if this is gonna go up, but we tried. Call on me, I go give you all of me, all of me. Baby, make you follow me, I go give you all of me.